Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we're diving into the incredible world of okra water recipes that can help with blood sugar control. Okra, also known as ladyfinger, is a nutritious vegetable packed with fiber, vitamins and minerals. Let's explore 10 revolutionary recipes that will amaze you. Let's kickstart our okra water journey with a simple yet effective recipe. First, you'll need to thoroughly wash 3 to 4 okras to ensure they're clean. Next, slice the okras into thin pieces, exposing the seeds inside. These seeds are key, as they release the beneficial properties into the water. Place these slices into a glass of clean water and let them soak overnight at room temperature. By morning, the water will be infused with the essence of okra. Remove the okra slices and your basic okra water is ready to drink. Consuming this on an empty stomach can aid in regulating blood sugar levels and enhancing digestion. A perfect start to your day. Now that you've mastered making basic okra water, let's blend up something a little more adventurous. The ultimate okra smoothie. Start by gathering your ingredients. 1 cup of freshly chopped okra, 1 ripe banana for a natural sweetness, a handful of fresh spinach for that vibrant green color, and a cup of almond milk for a creamy texture. Combine all these in a blender and pulse until smooth. This smoothie isn't just a treat for your taste buds, it's packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals, making it an excellent choice for stabilizing blood sugar and boosting your overall health. Enjoy this creamy delight as a power-packed breakfast or a refreshing midday snack. Transitioning from smoothies to something you can sink your teeth into, let's prepare a refreshing okra salad. Begin by steaming or blanching your sliced okras until they're tender but still crisp. While those cool down, chop up some cherry tomatoes and cucumber for a juicy crunch and thinly slice some red onion for a sharp kick. In a large bowl, combine all your veggies and for that final touch, squeeze over some fresh lemon juice. This salad isn't just a feast for the eyes, it's a fiber-rich dish that helps stabilize blood sugar levels and keeps you feeling full and satisfied. Serve this light, nutritious salad as a superb lunch or a delightful dinner. Enjoy the burst of flavors and the health benefits rolled into one. Now that we've enjoyed a light and refreshing salad, let's turn up the heat with a sizzling okra stir-fry. Begin by heating a splash of olive oil in a skillet over medium-high heat. Once hot, add your sliced okras, letting them sizzle until they start to get a bit of color. To this, introduce minced garlic and ginger, stirring frequently to release their aromatic flavors. Next, toss in some vibrant bell peppers. Choose a mix of colors for a visually appealing dish. If you're looking to add some protein, chicken, shrimp, or tofu, make excellent choices. Sauté everything together until your protein is cooked through and the vegetables are tender yet crisp. For that umami depth, season with a splash of soy sauce or tamari, and if you like a little heat, a sprinkle of red pepper flakes does the trick. This okra stir-fry isn't just a treat for your taste buds, it's also packed with nutrients that help in managing blood sugar and boosting overall health. Serve this warm, enticing dish with a side of steamed rice or noodles for a satisfying meal that's sure to impress. After enjoying our vibrant, sizzling okra stir-fry, why not switch gears with a crunchy, guilt-free snack? In this segment, we'll show you how to make crunchy okra chips, a perfect snack for those midday cravings, or a healthy alternative to your movie night munchies. Start by preheating your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. While it heats, take fresh okras and slice them thinly to ensure a perfect crispiness. Next, toss them in a bowl with a generous drizzle of olive oil and a pinch of salt. Here's where you can get creative. Sprinkle your favorite spices over the okra. Whether you love the smoky touch of paprika, the kick of cayenne pepper, or a hint of garlic powder, each seasoning will add a unique twist to your chips. Spread the seasoned okra slices on a baking sheet in a single layer, making sure they don't overlap. Bake in the preheated oven for about 20 to 25 minutes or until they are crispy and golden brown. Remember to flip them halfway through to ensure an even crunch. Once done, let them cool for a few minutes before serving. These crunchy okra chips are not only delicious but also packed with fiber and nutrients, making them a smart choice for a healthy diet. So next time you're reaching for a snack, remember these homemade delights are just a few simple steps away. Happy snacking! After indulging in our crunchy okra chips, let's shift to a relaxing beverage that's perfect for unwinding. Welcome to Okra Tea Time, a segment where we explore the soothing world of okra-infused beverages. Begin by boiling water in a kettle. As the water heats, take a handful of dried okra seeds, which are known for their high antioxidant content and blood sugar regulating properties. Place these seeds in a tea infuser or directly into a teapot. Once the water reaches a rolling boil, pour it over the seeds and let them steep for about 10 to 15 minutes. This brewing time allows the subtle, slightly nutty flavors of the okra seeds to fully infuse the water, creating a tea that is not only therapeutic but also delightful to the palate. For those who enjoy a hint of sweetness, consider adding a drizzle of honey or a slice of lemon to enhance the tea's natural flavors. Sip this calming tea while reading a book, or as a perfect complement to our next segment. Okra tea is not just a beverage, it's a moment of tranquility in your busy day. So, take a pause with us and enjoy the serene pleasure of okra tea time. After our calming okra tea time, let's dive a little deeper into the world of okra beverages in our next segment, Okra Beverage Breakdown. Here we'll explore various ways to incorporate okra into drinks that not only taste great but also offer fantastic health benefits. We'll start by revisiting the classic okra water and discuss its benefits in detail, such as aiding in digestion and helping to regulate blood sugar levels. Next, we'll introduce a new twist with an okra lemonade. For this refreshing drink, blend okra water with fresh lemon juice, a touch of mint, and a sweetener of your choice, such as agave syrup or stevia. This drink is not only hydrating but also packed with vitamin C and fiber, making it a perfect beverage for those hot summer days or after a workout. And for those who love experimenting, we'll show you how to make an okra cocktail. Mix okra water with your favorite spirit, add a splash of lime, and a hint of chili for a drink that's sure to impress at any dinner party. Stay tuned as we blend, mix, and stir our way through these unique beverages. Whether you're looking for something soothing or a bit more adventurous, our Okra Beverage Breakdown has something for everyone. So grab your glasses and let's get pouring. Welcome back. After exploring the delightful world of okra beverages, let's pause and take a closer look at the star ingredient itself in Okra Water Benefits Deep Dive. In this segment, we'll explore the science and the health benefits that make okra water a standout choice for your daily routine. Did you know that okra water is not only hydrating but also rich in vitamins A and C, as well as antioxidants which help combat stress and fatigue? We'll discuss how these nutrients contribute to a stronger immune system and better skin health. Moreover, okra water is known for its role in blood sugar regulation, making it a valuable drink for those managing diabetes. We'll also hear from nutrition experts who will shed light on lesser-known benefits of okra water, such as its ability to aid in weight loss and improve heart health. Their insights will help you understand why incorporating okra water into your diet can lead to long-term health improvements. So whether you're a health enthusiast or just curious about new ways to enhance your wellness, stick around as we delve deeper into the benefits of this amazing superfood beverage. Let's get ready to be inspired and informed about all things okra water. Welcome to a comforting culinary creation that not only warms your heart but also boosts your health. The hearty okra soup. Let's begin by gathering fresh okras, ripe tomatoes, crunchy onions, and aromatic garlic. Dice and slice these ingredients as we prepare to unlock a treasure trove of flavors and nutrients. Pour some rich vegetable broth into a large pot and bring it to a gentle simmer. Now, add your chopped veggies along with a generous mix of your favorite herbs and spices. Perhaps a pinch of thyme and a sprinkle of black pepper. As the soup simmers, the okras will release their natural thickness, weaving the ingredients into a lusciously smooth texture. This soup isn't just a meal, it's a soothing embrace in a bowl. Perfect for those chilly evenings or when you need a comforting touch. Serve this hearty okra soup hot, and let each spoonful enhance your well-being with its blood sugar regulating powers. Now, let's get ready to stir up some more okra magic in our next segment. Transitioning from the soothing warmth of hearty okra soup, let's spice things up with a dish that's as vibrant as it is healthful, the spicy okra curry delight. Begin by heating a splash of oil in a sturdy pot. Toss in finely chopped onions, fragrant garlic, and fresh ginger, sautéing them until they turn golden and release their enticing aromas. It's time to stir in a hearty spoonful of curry paste, mixing until the spices are beautifully blended. Now add the star of our show, the okras, chopped into bite-sized pieces. Watch as they sizzle and start to soak up the flavors. Pour in creamy coconut milk along with juicy diced tomatoes, creating a rich and colorful base for your curry. Feel free to personalize your curry by adding other vegetables like bell peppers, or even chunks of protein like tofu or chicken for those who desire a heartier meal. Let everything simmer gently, allowing the ingredients to meld together into a tender, flavorful feast. Each bite of this spicy okra curry not only tantalizes your taste buds, but also helps in managing blood sugar levels, thanks to the fibrous goodness of okra. Serve this aromatic curry with a side of basmati rice or warm naan bread for a truly satisfying experience. As we savor the last spoonful of this delightful dish, prepare your palate for another refreshing twist on okra water coming up next. After the fiery journey of our spicy okra curry, let's cool down and nourish our bodies with a wholesome okra quinoa bowl. Start by cooking your quinoa as per the package instructions until it's fluffy and light. Meanwhile, heat a pan over medium heat, adding a touch of oil and the okras, sliced into thin rounds. Sauté them until they are tender and bright green, bringing out their natural sweetness. For a burst of colors and flavors, toss in your favorite roasted vegetables. Think bell peppers, zucchini, and cherry tomatoes, all adding to the richness of this dish. Now, for the creamy contrast, add ripe avocado slices, rich in healthy fats that are as good for your heart as they are for your taste buds. Drizzle over a generous amount of tahini dressing, creamy and nutty, which binds all the elements together in a delightful symphony of flavors. This okra quinoa bowl isn't just a treat to your palate but also a powerhouse of fiber, protein, and essential nutrients, perfect for stabilizing blood sugar and boosting your overall health. As you dig into this vibrant and satisfying meal, let the diverse textures and flavors remind you that healthy eating can indeed be delicious and exciting. Get ready, as up next we'll return to our refreshing journey with a classic twist on okra water. After savoring the nourishing goodness of our okra quinoa bowl, let's add a zesty twist to your favorite snacks with our unique okra salsa. Begin by dicing fresh okras, juicy tomatoes, crisp onions, and spicy jalapenos. Add a generous handful of chopped cilantro to bring a fresh, herby flavor to the mix. Combine all these ingredients in a large bowl, and then squeeze in the juice of a ripe lime, infusing the salsa with a tangy zest. Sprinkle a pinch of salt to enhance all the vibrant flavors. This okra salsa isn't just a delight for the taste buds, but also a healthy addition to your diet, aiding in blood sugar control with every delicious bite. Serve this tantalizing salsa with crunchy tortilla chips or use it to top off tacos or alongside grilled meats. The unique texture and flavor of okra make this salsa stand out as a versatile and irresistible condiment. So get ready to dip, spread, and enjoy as we continue our culinary adventure with a classic twist on okra water up next. After exploring the zesty delights of our okra salsa, let's dive into another creative and nutritious way to enjoy okra with our okra smoothie bowl extravaganza. Start by blending frozen okra with ripe bananas and fresh spinach to create a smooth green base. The okra not only thickens the smoothie naturally but also infuses it with essential nutrients that are great for managing blood sugar levels. Pour this lush mixture into a bowl and let the fun begin. Top it off with a crunchy layer of granola for that satisfying texture contrast. Then, add a colorful array of fresh fruits like blueberries, slices of kiwi, and a few strawberry halves for a burst of natural sweetness and vitamins. Drizzle a bit of honey over the top for a touch of indulgence. This okra smoothie bowl isn't just a feast for the eyes, making it perfect for your Instagram feed. It's also packed with ingredients that support a healthy lifestyle. Each spoonful delivers a blend of flavors and textures that make healthy eating exciting and enjoyable. Ready your spoons, and let's make breakfast a vibrant celebration of taste and health. Up next, we revisit the simplicity and elegance of lemon-infused okra water. Welcome to our special roundup, where we explore 10 incredible okra water recipes specifically designed to aid in blood sugar control. Okra water, known for its health benefits, can be a simple yet powerful addition to your wellness routine. We start with the basics of okra water that we've learned to craft, and now, let's enhance it with flavors that not only tantalize your taste buds but also contribute to your health. From the refreshing zest of lemon-infused okra water to the exotic touch of spicy ginger okra water, each recipe is crafted to keep your blood sugar levels in check while providing a delightful drinking experience. We'll also introduce unique combinations like sweet vanilla for a comforting feel and tangy berry for those who love a fruity punch. For those seeking a calming effect, don't miss our soothing chamomile okra water. Each recipe is easy to prepare and perfect for any time of the day, whether you need a morning boost or a relaxing evening treat. So grab your notebook and let's embark on this flavorful journey to better health. Up next, we revisit the simplicity and elegance of lemon-infused okra